In a world full of chaos, nature is our peace. The sun rises not just to bring light, but to remind us that every day is a new beginning. Every leaf that dances in the wind has a story. Every drop of water sings a song of life. Nature doesn't hurry, and yet everything gets done. There's no rush, no noise, just rhythm. When life feels overwhelming, step outside. Let nature whisper to your soul. Collaborators, silence, nature speaks the loudest. In darkness, it shows us the stars. We don't inherit the earth from our ancestors, we borrow it from our children. Let's protect it.